welcome to my channel again. It's Pyle. So I got a bit of a cold. Going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Ebony, then the MAC Select Concealer on top of my eyes. My skin's a lot better than the last video, so it's good. Just making sure, try and take the darkness away before I put my concealer on around the eyes. I've actually gone on this one above my eyebrow as well, so to define the eyebrows more. I don't really like a very defined eyebrow. I like it to look as natural as possible with a little bit of filling. So as you can see, it's a rough fill. It's not a very ideal fill. Again, yeah, just making sure that it looks defined but not too defined, but the concealer will help it define it. So if you struggle with eyebrows, then patting it with just a brush, had some powder on it, not excessive. Then going in with a transition colour. It doesn't have to be Huda. I have a Huda palette, but it doesn't have to be Huda. Just a transition colour to bring some of the colour back into the eyes after concealing them. To again blend, use your, I don't know what bone that is, but it's the bone that just hits above the eye. Then a highlighter, could be any highlighter. Gone in with a MAC paint pot to actually define the eyes a bit more, make them a bit brighter inside. And with the MAC pigment, I believe it's orange or golden something, and then look how beautifully that glides on. Absolutely fantastic. Love the glide, and the color pigment really picks up. I guess because I zoomed in the video, it's not as great, but it is lovely. Then just finished it off with eyeliner, and my video cut off. So, and this is the final look. Thanks team, no filter. Bye.